A piece of evidence that some tech behemoths are gradually transitioning from one industry to another is the ongoing project of Tesla phones. This new project is believed to be the next generation phones. In this video, we will be discussing Tesla phones, the next generation phones. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. Lately, a little more has been added to Tesla's arsenal. Do you know you might soon stumble on a Tesla smartphone in the market? Even though there isn't enough official data regarding the phone speculated to be called Model Pi/P, it has been everywhere in the news and all over the internet. Making products ranging from Cybertruck, electric vehicles, Tesla umbrellas to a stainless steel whistle, Tesla is known for introducing the most impressive stuff you'd find in the market. With the over-the-top features in the existing products, such as the Cybertruck's almost impenetrable exoskeleton and bioweapon defensive mode in some other vehicles, here are some mind-blowing features of the phones. Number 1. Solar-powered charging. Tesla vehicles already have solar panels built in them, so this isn't a far-fetched concept. The phone is unlikely to run entirely on solar power, but it could come with a Tesla-branded casing that allows for some solar charging. Number 2. Vehicle management. A Tesla app for phones already exists to execute certain basic automobile operations, such as locking and unlocking the car, controlling media playback, and summoning the vehicle. If not built into the operating system, this app would almost certainly be pre-installed on the phone for simple access from the lock screen or via external buttons. It's also possible that the app will only be available to Tesla phone owners. Number 3. Astrophotography. Current phones already use AI and sophisticated cameras to assist when capturing the night sky. When you combine those capabilities with SpaceX's interplanetary focus, which will undoubtedly seep into this phone, you've got a device capable of taking stunning images of celestial objects. Number 4. Cryptocurrency mining. Another rumor is that it will mine cryptocurrency. Although Musk has previously spoken out about cryptocurrencies, it is fair to believe he'd want to include this ability in a phone. While Bitcoin is more popular and Musk is rumored to prefer Dogecoin, Tesla's phone will possibly mine a new coin called Mars Coin. Number 5. Support for Neuralink. The idea of computers interacting with the brain is still a work in progress, and Neuralink is one of the firms working on it. It's been said that they are developing the first neutral implant that will allow you to control a computer or mobile device from anywhere. Number 6. Satellite internet. Elon Musk owns SpaceX and Starlink. The business objective of the first company since its inception is to produce a phone that can help fund Mars colonization. However, they'd have to figure out a means to not only hide the satellite phone's massive antenna, but also guarantee decent service from such a compact device. According to one idea, it would only work in places where there is already a Starlink base, such as a building or, if it ever happens, a Tesla car equipped with the necessary antenna. A phone with all of the latest technologies stated above would undoubtedly cost more than a few $1,000s. Following generations of the technology may become more affordable as more people use it, but surely, the price of the first model may not be affordable to most people. According to reports, the Tesla smartphone would cost between $800 and $1,200. We can only run on assumptions because there isn't much information about the new Tesla phone. What other features or specifications do you think this phone will have? Do you also think this project will pull through? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.